Next article, LCM, that is lowest common multiple. We can solve LCM by two methods, first prime factorization and second by division method. Now the properties of SCF and LCM of giving numbers. Number one, the SCF of a group of numbers is not greater than any of the given numbers. Number two, the SCF of two co-primes is 1. Third, the LCM of a group of numbers is not less than any of the given numbers. Fourth, the LCM of two co-primes is equal to their product. Fifth, if two numbers are given, then the product of the two numbers is equals to the product of their SCF and LCM. Thus, for any two given numbers, we have LCM is equals to one number into the other number divided by their SCF. B, SCF is equals to one number into the other number divided by their LCM. Exercise 2E, find the LCM of the numbers given below. Question number 1, 42, 63. Now we will solve this question number 1 by two method, prime factorization method and by the division method. You are free to attempt by any method, which one you like most. So first we will find by prime factorization. 42 divided by 2 we will get 21, divided by 3 we will get 7, 7 divided by 7 we will get 1. Now 63 will be divided by 3, we will get 21, 21 will be divided by 3, we will get 7, 7 will be divided by 7, we will get 1. Therefore 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7, 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7, 3 square into 7. Hence the LCM of 42, 63 is equals to 2 into 3 square into 7 is equals to 126. Now we are showing by another method known as division method. Now we will take both the numbers 42, 63 divided by 2 we will get 21, as we write 63. Why? Because 63 is not divided by 2. Now again we will divide it by 3. So 21 will be divided by 3, we will get 7, 63 will be divided by 3, we will get 21. Now again we will divide it by these two numbers by 3, 7 will not be divided by 3, so we will write 7, 21 will be divided by 3, we will get 7. Now we choose 7, 7 1 just 7, 7 1 just 7, remainder will be 1 1. Hence the LCM of the given numbers is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 is equals to 126. Now we are moving third, 12, 18, 20. We will show these questions by division method. 12, 18, 20 divided by 2 we will get 6. 9, 10 divided by 2 we will get 3. 9 will not be divided by 2, so we will write 9 as it is. Now 5. Now we will divide it by 3. 1, 3, 5 is not divided by 3, we will get 5 then. Now we choose 3. Now 1, 1. Now 5 is not divided by 3, so we will write 5. Then we write here 5, 1, 1 and 1. Hence the LCM of the given numbers will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. We will get 180. Now we are moving to question number 5. 36, 40, 126. We have 36, 40, 126 divided by 2 will get 18, 20, 63. Divided by 2 we will get 9, 10, 63. As 63 is not divided by 2, so we write as it is 63. Now again we write 2, 9, then 5, then 63. Then again we write 3. We'll write here 3, 5 as it is, 21. Now we write 3, 1, 5, then 7. We choose 5, 1, 1 and 7. Now we write 7, 1, 1 and 1. Hence the LCM of the given numbers will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 is equals to 2520. Now we are moving to question number 7, 28, 36, 45, 60. We have 28, 36, 45, 60. Now divided by 2 we'll write 14, 18, again 45, same. Why? Because 45 is not divided by 2. Now 30, again 2, 7, 9, 45, 15, 3, 7, 3, 15, 5. Now we write 3, 7, 1, 5, 5, 5, 7, 1, 1, 1. Now write 7, 1, 1, 1, 1. Hence the LCM of the given numbers is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 is equals to 1260. Question number 9. Find the LCM of 48, 64, 72, 96, 108. We have 48, 64, 72, 96, 108 divided by 2. All numbers will get 24, 32, 36, 48, 54 divided by 2, 12, 16, 18, 24, 27 divided by 2, 6, 8, 9, 12, 27, because 27 is not divided by 2. Now we write 2, 3, 4, 9, 6, again 27, we write 2, 3, 2, 9, 3, 27 divided by 2, 3, 1, 9, 3, 27 divided by 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 9 divided by 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3 divided by 3 will get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Hence the LCM of the given numbers is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 1728. Now next question, find the SCF and LCM of question number 12, 6933 and 1078, 15, 2923 and 3239. Question number 12, 693, 1078. We first find the SCF of the given numbers. 1078 divided by 693. 693, 1 ja 693, remainder is 385. Now we'll write 693. 385, 1 ja 385, remainder is 308. Now we write 385, 308, 1 ja 308, remainder is 77. Now again we write 308, 77, 4 ja 308, remainder will be 0. Therefore SCF is 77. As we know the formula of LCM, product of the giving numbers, giving two numbers divided by their SCF. 693 into 1078 divided by 77, 77 9 ja 693. So we will get 9 into 1078 will be 9702. So LCM will be 9702. Now question number 15, 2923, 3239. We first find the SCF of the given numbers. 3239 divided by 2923, 1 ja 2923, remainder 316. 316, 9 ja 2844. Remainder is 79, we write 316, 79, 4 are 316, remainder will be 0. Therefore SCF is equal to 79. Now we having the formula, LCM will be product of the giving two numbers divided by their SCF. 2923 into 3239 upon 79. 79 37 times 2923. So we will get 37 into 3239 is equal to 119843. Question number 16, for each pair of numbers verify that their product is equals to SCF into LCM. Part 1, 87, 145. We first find the SCF of the given numbers. 145 will be divided by 87. 87 1 ja 87. Remainder is 58. Now we write 87, 58, 1 ja 58. Remainder is 29. We write 58. 29 2 ja 58. Remainder will be 0. SCF is equal to 29. Now how we'll find out the LCM? By the formula, product of the giving two numbers upon their SCF is equal to 29. Now how we'll find out the LCM? By the formula, product of the giving two numbers upon their SCF. 87 into 145 divided by 29. 29 3 are 87 is equals to 3 into 145 is equals to 435. Now product of two numbers will be 87 into 145 is equals to 12615. And SCF into LCM is equals to 29 into 435 is equals to 12615. Therefore, product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM is equals to 12615, hence verified. We are moving to question number 18. The product of two numbers is 2560 and their LCM is 320. Find their HCF. As we know the formula for HCF, therefore HCF will be product of the giving two numbers upon their LCM. So they have given 2560 upon 320. 320 8 are 2560, so HCF is equals to 8. Question number 20. The HCF and LCM of the two numbers are 131 and 8253 respectively. If one of the numbers is 917, find the other. We know that one number into the other number is equals to HCF into LCM. Therefore 917 into other number will be 131 into 8253. Therefore other number will be 131 into 8253 upon 917. 131 1 ja 131, 131 7 ja 917. Now 117 times 8253, so other number will be 1179. We are moving to question number 22. Find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60 leaves 9 as a remainder in each case. We know that the least number divisible by 25, 40 and 60 is their LCM. So we calculate their LCM as under 25, 40, 60 divided by 2, we will get 25. 20, 30 again divided by 2 will get 25, 10, 15 divided by 2 we will get 25, because 25 is not divided by 2. 5, 15. Now 3, 25, 5, 5. Now write 5, 5, 1, 1. Write 5, 1, 1, 1. Hence the LCM of 25, 40 and 60 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 is equal to 600. Hence the required number will be 600 plus 9 is equal to 609. Question number 24. Find the greatest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 9, 12, 15, 18 and 24. How we will find out? We know that greatest number of 5 digits is equal to 99999. Now we will find the LCM of 9, 12, 15, 18, 24 divided by 2 we will get 9, 6, 15, 9, 12 divided by 2 9, 3, 15, 9, 6 divided by 2 9, 3, 15, 9, 3 divided by 3 3, 1, 5, 3, 1 divided by 3 1, 1, 5, 1, 1 divided by 5 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 360. So greatest number of 5 digits will be divided by the LCM, that is 360. So 360 to the 720 will get now 279 will take 9. Now 367 ja 2520, again we'll write 279. Now we took 9 here. Now 367 ja 2520, remainder will be 279. Therefore greatest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 9, 12, 15, 18 and 24 is equals to 99999 minus 279 is equals to 99720. Now we are moving to question number 26. 3 boys step off together from the same place if their steps measure 36 cm, 48 cm and 54 cm. At what distance from the starting point will they again step together? Now the required distance is equals to LCM of 36, 48 and 54 cm. 36, 48, 54 divided by 2, 18, 24, 27 divided by 2, 9, 12, same number 27, because 27 is not divisible by 2. Now we write 2, 9, 6, 27, write 2, 9, 3, 27. Now write 3, 1, 9, write 3, 1, 1, 3. Now write 3, 1, 1, 1. LCM of 36, 48, 54 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 432 centimeter. Therefore, at the distance of 4 meter 32 centimeters from the starting point, they will again step together. Now we are moving to question number 27. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. If they start changing simultaneously at 8 am, after how much time will they change again simultaneously? So required time is equals to LCM of 48, 72 and 108 seconds. Now we'll find the LCM of 48, 72, 108 divided by 2, we will get 24, 36, 54 divided by 2, we will get 12, 18, 27 divided by 2, we will get 6, 9, same 27 because 27 is not divisible by 2. Now we write 2, 3, 9, 27, write 3, 1, 3, 9, divided by 3 we write 1, 3. Now we write 3, 1, 1. Therefore LCM of 48, 72, 108 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 432 seconds. Now if we divide 432 by 60, we'll get 7 minutes 12 seconds. Therefore after 7 minutes 12 seconds they will change again. Now we are moving to question number 29. An electronic device makes a beep after every 15 minutes. Another device makes a beep after every 20 minutes. They beeped together at 6 am. At what time will they next beep together? So how we will find out? Again we will find out the required time is equals to LCM of 15 and 20 minutes. So we will find out the LCM of 15 and 20 divided by 2, we will get 15, as 15 is not divided by 2, so we will write same number. Now 20 will be divided by 2, we will get 10. Now again we write 2, 15, 5, we write 3, 5, 5, we write 5, 1, 1. So therefore LCM of 15 and 20 will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equals to 60 minutes. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so it will be equals to 1 hour. Therefore after 60 minutes they will next beep together, that is after 1 hour, that is at 7 am. The homework of 2E is as follows. Thank you.